Hey guys, this is Dan, aka Saxman112, and I apologize for the lack of tech videos that I've had within the last couple months, so bear with me. I'll get them started up again because now it is summer. Woohoo! Aw yeah. So just bear with me, and I should be creating more tech videos as the summer goes on, so stay tuned for that. So today in this video I'm going to be doing a rant about Windows 8 and why I think it sucks. Because, as most of you probably know, Microsoft released an official working version of Windows 8 to developers today, and they're probably all like, oh yay, Windows 8, that's going to be so awesome. Yeah, not to me. I'm the other way around. Because I've seen a video of a working copy of Windows 8 in action. Well, not an official working copy, like an early build of it working, and I just say, what the heck did you do, Microsoft? What the heck? Because seriously, all they just really did is took it just for the interface, is just took the Windows Phone 7 Metro UI and just slapped that across their entire OS. Well, except for some parts, you can still access the current Windows 7 UI by doing some things, but other than that, you're stuck with the goofy Windows Phone 7 Metro UI, which I think is dumb. But I think it'd be okay on something like a tablet or strictly a touchscreen device. But seriously, how many people using Windows computers are using a touchscreen enabled monitor or related device or tablet? Well, according to a video I watched earlier today from Chad Thompson, or Chad T4, he said that only a small 10% of Windows users use Windows 7 currently on a tablet or touchscreen enabled monitor. That is a very small percentage. So if Microsoft is doing this just to push people away from the mouse and keyboard, that is a very dumb move by Microsoft. Because seriously, Windows is still a dominant OS in the business world. Because think of it, without Windows, how would businesses be getting around? Well, I know some businesses probably use Mac OS X nowadays for their servers, but not as much as Windows, because I know that market share is very, very huge. So I sure hope in the future, when Windows 8 comes out, they offer the style that has a Metro UI for like devices like tablets and related devices, and the version with just the standard current Windows 7 interface for devices like for ones for the home or the business place. Because I think this is something that Microsoft really messed up on. Because seriously, if you want to do this, do it well. Follow the example of Apple. They have iOS and Mac OS X completely separated. Well, I guess not completely separated, because now they integrated the App Store feature from iOS into Mac OS X by calling it the Mac App Store, by providing the user with the same apps that you can get on the App Store on your iPhone, iPod Touch, etc. on your Mac. So I think that's a good way of intertwining your two platforms, not by making it the dominant user interface for your OS. So all I have to say to you, Microsoft, is get back to the drawing board. Because seriously, how many people are like using that Metro UI with a keyboard and mouse? I find that to be a freaking nightmare. It like made me really want to have a tablet or touchscreen enabled monitor. Because if I dealt with a keyboard and mouse every day, I just want to freaking throw stuff at my computer, or just switch back to Windows 7. So if Windows 8 comes out, and it comes out in two separate versions, but one with the standard Windows 7 interface for home and business, and the one with the Metro UI for tablets and related devices, then I'm going for it. But if it stays the way it is right now, I'm just going to be sticking with Windows 7. Again, all you Microsoft engineers, get back to the drawing board. Not all people are going to like this Metro UI and are going to think it's just too cumbersome for doing their simple everyday tasks. Because seriously, the start menu, they really murdered that. You don't have like all your folders for all your separate programs anymore, unless you do some certain thing to get into the classic Windows 7 interface. So, yeah. And its start menu has been a feature that's been included from Windows 95 on. And now they just completely remove it. What are you thinking, Microsoft? What are you thinking? Again, I just had to say this one more time. Get back to the drawing board. That is all.